What are you drinking?
Milk.
Go slow.
Milk.
Go slow. Monkey. Oh, go slow. Go slow. Oh dear. That's okay. No, thank you. I already had some. Is Junior going to drink hers? You drink it. What a good girl. Is that delicious? High five. And? Knuckles for Daddy? Okay.
Knuckles!
What about Mommy? Yes. Okay. Should we go night-night?
Milk.
Okay. You drink more milk? And then we'll go night-night. Can you say bye-bye? On here?
Bye-bye.
You're being silly.
Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Hey, who did we go camping with? Do you remember? Who was there?
Daddy.
Joshy? No, he wasn't there. Was Charlie there?
Okay.
And who else?
Daddy.
Jackie. And who else?
Dana.
Dana. And?
Butter.
Benjo, that's right. And Baby Al?
Baby Al.
Right. And Heather?
Heather.
And who else? Do you remember? Chris?
Chris.
And it was so fun, wasn't it? And Lucy and... What other dog was there? Who's Jackie's dog?
Maggie.
Right, Maggie! And there's Lucy. Okay, say night-night.
No.
Can you wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Milk.
More milk.